Hey guys, so I'm going to a birthday dinner and my sister is gonna rate my outfit. Ready, sis?
Yeah. Turn around. I like it. The back is a little bit hook up.
Cook up.
A little bit.
Okay, let me bum.
Yeah, too big. What kind of shoes?
I was thinking about like a Sam Edelman, just like a nice pushing kitten heel type of vibe.
Not a boot. It's winter. Like a short booty.
Hot girls don't wear booty in winter. So how would you rate this, sis?
I would give it an 8.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it's so cute.
Okay, a 9 then.
And I feel like it's so classy.
No, it's very cute. It's very classy. I like this that it has. There's a sleeve and the neck too. I like that, you know, they come all the way up here.
Yeah.
But maybe the 10 is in. 8. I'm gonna stick with my 8.
All right, let's go on to number 2. Oh, sis, I forgot I got a jacket too.
Better.
Okay.
I love this though.
I
would rate the jacket a 9.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. A half because of the length, but maybe you're too short.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a shorty.
Yeah.
Overall rating 8.
8. Yeah.
Because of the dress.
8. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
What? Okay. Put on some more then. I'll show them. Spin and show them. It's cute. Short. For the event? No.
Really?
No. Cute, you know what? I don't know.
Too much?
I think about the event. Yeah, I feel like it's too much.
Okay.
But I mean, it's you.
What that means is. What that means is. Extra.
There you go.
Just feeling like a leather vibe.
Okay.
So I just type in leather and I found this skirt and the top and then pair it together.
Yeah. Oh, wait, they didn't come together?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I paired it together.
They look like they come together. Like the material,
Yeah.
similar. Oh.
Yeah, okay, rate this.
Okay. I would give it a 9.
9?
Yeah. I like the leather.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the pocket detail.
Yeah.
Yeah, give you more hips. Not that you want more hips. But
It's more the club scene.
yeah. But in terms of fashion, I would give it a 9. If you want to make more of a statement, this is the outfit.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
If you want to be comfy,
Yeah.
then the dress.
If you agree with my sister on her rating for my 2 outfits, comment below. Comment which one you think I should wear to the birthday dinner. And of course, don't forget to follow my sister, guys. I'll tag her below. So, bye.